Welcome to Goflexnow App, where earning money has never been easier. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of withdrawing your hard-earned money from the app. Firstly, you need to access your wallet by tapping on the wallet icon located in the second tab from the left on the bottom menu bar. Once you're in your wallet, you'll be able to see your account balance. You can add cash or withdraw from one place. To withdraw your earnings, tap on the Withdraw button located under your account balance. You can choose your preferred payment method, which includes bank transfer or debit credit card. Next, enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your wallet. Please note that there's a minimum withdrawal amount, which is subject to change. Finally, double-check all the details before tapping on the Withdraw button to submit your withdrawal request. You will get Withdrawal submitted successfully at checkout screen once your funds are withdrawn. That's it. You have successfully withdrawn your earnings from Goflexnow app. If you encounter any issues during the process, don't hesitate to contact our support team for further assistance. Thank you for choosing Goflexnow app, where we make earning money easier and more convenient for you.